You're not gonna drink it? Do you taste it?
Yeah, it's good.
Right. I make good drinks now. Hear that? I make good drinks. They're not amazing. They're good.
You're fine.
Okay, wait. Get out of here. Welcome everybody to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And for all of you that think I make good cocktails, okay, well, stick around because if you like bourbon and if you like coffee, this is gonna be amazing for you. Okay, not just good. This is the Arizona Outlaw cocktail. Please stay here with me in Hey Bartender. Let me show you how we're gonna be doing this bad boy. Okay, perfect, you guys. So the Arizona Outlaw, this is actually a really nice cocktail by the company or the site. Cheers to happy hour. Thank you very much. This thing looks amazing. I cannot wait to actually put my lips into this thing because just for the looks, it looks beautiful. It looks really tasty. But then as you see the ingredients, you're gonna start getting a little bit more excited, just like me. So what we're gonna be using, we're gonna use some Frangelico, we're gonna use some Bourbon, a little tiny bit of Ancho Reyes liqueur, and we're supposed to use liqueur, coffee liqueur. So you can use Kahlua, which is a rum with a flavor of coffee, or you can use Bulgari, which is the espresso liqueur. I'm gonna be using Patron XO. You know why? Because I can. I like this thing and it's just spicy and beautifully tasty. And we're gonna start building a cocktail, you guys. So let's start with 1 ounce of bourbon. I'm gonna be using the bullet, followed by 3/4 of Frangelico. Let's go for 1/2 ounce of Patron XO. It's supposed to be a bar spoon, but I don't know where my bar spoon is, so let's go with the bartender's touch. That'll be enough. And the last but not least, 1 ounce of freshly made espresso. And we're gonna give it a really nice dry shake. Let's add some ice. Let's give it a really good shake. Whew. Oh, okay. Let's get a really nice, fancy glass. Let's give it a double strain. Smells amazing. It looks even better. But now, for your garnish, we're gonna grab a little marshmallow and let's gonna give it a little toast. There we go. All right, so time to get that after a meal dessert with a little bit of bourbon and Frangelico. The Arizona Outlaw, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and hey, salud.